Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to show you how you can create amazing and unlimited designs using AI. Okay, and in this video I'm going to use ChatGPT to provide these ideas, and I'm going to use Microsoft Designer to generate the images. Okay, so let's go right in. And so first of all, let's use ChatGPT to give us some ideas about some sort of design, okay? And so there's a simple command that you can use, and it's simply give me a bunch of ideas for the niche. And so in this case, I'm going to use Christmas as a niche because Christmas is kind of coming, and t-shirt design, okay? You can simply use this command here, and then ChatGPT is going to give you a bunch of ideas that you can use. So now ChatGPT just gave me 10 ideas, t-shirt design ideas about Christmas. And so if some of these ideas attract your attention or whatever, then you can simply use it. And so here, for example, I like this idea of a gingerbread DJ party. I think that's pretty cool. So what you can do is simply copy paste this thing, and then you can use Designer to generate the image. So you simply copy paste the thing into Designer, and then you can simply use a white background and use a vector image. So now Designer is going to generate some images about this idea that you asked for. And you see, I really love this idea. I think I really like this one actually. And so you can use this design and then put this on a t-shirt and make this thing your design. I really love this, and I'm actually going to use this, okay? So this is a great Christmas design. But another thing that you can do is you can also mix different niches, okay? And so for example, here, I only asked ChatGPT to give me Christmas t-shirt designs, and this is a very broad thing, okay? But what you can do here is actually mix different niches, okay? And so here I'm going to use the same command, and I'm also going to add another niche, okay? So the quote that I'm going to use here is, for example, give me original ideas for Christmas related to dogs. And so now ChatGPT is going to give me t-shirt designs related to Christmas and also dog. And so that way you're able to join different niches. Okay, so I kind of like this idea here about the Cavaliers. And so basically it's a bunch of dogs dressed in robes singing Christmas songs. So I kind of like this idea. So I can just take this idea, and then I can just put it into Microsoft Designer using a white background and a vector file. So let's generate this. Okay, so there you go. I got two images that I can use for designs, and I think I actually love this one. It's a bunch of dogs that sing Christmas song, and I think this is really funny. And so I'm gonna use this as a design. And so you see, the thing that I want to show you here is that you can use ChatGPT and AI to, yes, you can get ideas about certain niches for your design, but you can also mix different niches. And so for example, in this case, yes, I created Christmas designs, but I also created Christmas designs related to the dog niches, and so you can mix niches. And so I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.